Hey, what's going on, everyone? This chart right here is predicting Meta stocks, or formerly known as Facebook, next price move. Take a look. Let me zoom out so you guys can see it. What price move do you think it's trying to tell us? Can you see it? Let me know. Because currently, this chart is showing us that Meta is still a buy. Yep. Would you agree? Or would you disagree? Let me show you why I think this stock is still primed for higher levels. Like, we already had this price prediction on our chart, so we're not surprised to see Meta going up. We did this price prediction in Meta all the way back in June. And for the most part, it's been trading sideways, but now we are seeing price in Meta kind of break out. It broke through this area of resistance right here. See that? It was acting as resistance here. It was acting as resistance here, here, and then it finally broke out. That is the cause to show us, hey, we know who's still running the yard. We know who's still in control of this price, and it's the buyers. So we're not going to change our price prediction. I just wanted to come in and show you what I can tell off of this chart, that Meta stock is still primed for higher levels. It's predicting the next move. Because guess what? Charts don't lie. What you see on the chart is real. People are biased when it comes to the stock market. Those who are bullish, who sees higher prices, guess what they'll do? Yeah, they'll put money on the table. Those who are fearful and scared, guess what they'll do to a stock? They'll sell it. Or the people who are sitting at a handsome profit, guess what they would do? They'll sell it. Because they're satisfied with their return. You cannot try to hide behind those intentions, those motives that people have when it comes to stocks. So let's look at Meta on the weekly chart. Okay. Look at this. Is this a bullish stock or not? It's been a fantastic year for Meta. It's been a fantastic 2003, 2024. See, when people tell you on YouTube and other social media platforms to buy the dip, this is the reaction that the chart is supposed to resemble when you do that. Because every time the price dipped in Meta, it went right back up. All stocks don't do this. That's why people need to be careful when they say buy the dip. You only buy the dip on stocks that are trending bullish. This stock has been trending bullish for the last 2 years. 2 years. So every day or every moment that this stock went down was a buying opportunity. The crazy part is that nobody knows, or nobody even knew back in the beginning of 2023 that the stock would be trading at $567 like it is today. Nobody. So that's why they tell you to hold it for the long term. You're already up 203% if you bought in the beginning of 2023. I want to tell you congratulations. I ain't throwing no shade at you. Congratulations, because that's what you're supposed to do. You're supposed to win at this game. You're supposed to come out this game with more than what you went in with. So if you are in that position, kudos. I'm proud of you. You did excellent. Because in the next 2 years, there's no guarantee that Meta's going to continue to follow this trend. But currently, we can say it still will. Because of these weekly price bars that's reflecting that there's buyers all the way up here around $400 to like $450. Here it is on the 2. The 2 weeks even looks bullish. Look at this last 2 weekly price bar. Here it is on the 3. We have 8 hours and 51 minutes and the market still looks bullish. What about on the 5? Here it is on the monthly chart. What else is there to explain This is a very strong stock, and we're going to continue to ride forward with our anticipation of higher levels. And one thing I always try to stress is that if you see yourself in some profit right now, skim some of this thing off. 12%. Take some of it off the table, because we don't know what's going to happen next. Okay, so we're not going to change anything though. This is probably one of the best stocks in the market today. Meta. Yep. Let's look at this on the 3 months. We have 3 days, 9 hours. And you tell me, a lot of people are believing in this stock. They're continually showing by placing money in this stock that they're confident in how the business is operating, how Mark Zuckerberg is leading the business. Because if they wasn't, this direction of price in Meta would not be going this way. It'll be going like Donald Trump's stock. Look at Donald Trump's DJT stock. It will look like this. People aren't believing in the operation of Truth Social. They're not believing in the leadership and the direction in which they're trying to take this business. Because if they were, it won't look like this. Look how weak it looks. Nobody's putting money in this stock. This is a dead stock versus Meta. Okay. That's how you can tell where money is moving, because money is a flow mechanism. It has to move in order to accumulate and bring in. It's an attraction. It tries to attract more money. This is what this business is doing. Trump media, it ain't doing that. It's fleeing money. Money is running away from that stock, and it could be running to Meta because this is a strong stock. So let me leave this alone, and I'm going to pause it right there because I'm not changing it. I just wanted to show you how a chart is telling you the current conditions and what you can look forward to going into the future. Because if anything hasn't changed, then you just continue to look for higher prices. You just sit back, kick back, and let the market work for you. Now, if Meta was to see a massive crash when earnings is released, then yeah, we might need to talk and anticipate some lower prices. But until then, there's nothing here to see. So I'm actually done. Go ahead and give me your thoughts. Make sure you maintain profit. And as always, trade different.